Imagine waking up one morning to find that the sun, the giant star at the center of our solar system, has vanished without a trace. The sun's sudden disappearance is a scenario that challenges our understanding of physics and cosmology. This video explores the immediate aftermath of such a cosmic event, diving into the drastic changes our planet would experience. First and foremost, the sun's disappearance would mean the immediate loss of its gravitational pull. The planets, including Earth, would no longer be held in their orbits. According to Newton's laws of motion, Earth would start traveling in a straight line at the same velocity it had been orbiting the sun. This trajectory would take us into the vastness of space. Simultaneously, the disappearance of the sun would plunge Earth into darkness. The light from the sun takes approximately 8 minutes to reach our planet. So we would have about 8 minutes of sunlight after the sun vanished. Once this light fades, an eerie darkness would engulf the entire planet, and the only sources of natural light would be the distant stars, and any artificial lights we have on Earth. With no sun, temperatures on Earth would begin to drop rapidly. Within a week, the average global temperature would plummet below freezing. Oceans, lakes, and rivers would start to freeze from the surface down. The frozen landscape would be reminiscent of an ice age, and the survival of life would become extremely challenging in these frigid conditions. Plants, which rely on sunlight for photosynthesis, would start to die off. This process would trigger a catastrophic collapse of the food chain. Herbivores would soon perish, followed by carnivores. The oxygen levels would also start to deplete over time as plants and plankton, the primary producers of oxygen, would no longer be able to survive. Human society would face unprecedented challenges. With rapidly declining temperatures, maintaining warmth would become a critical issue. Underground bunkers and geothermal energy sources might provide temporary refuge. However, food supplies would diminish, and the struggle for resources could lead to global conflicts. In the absence of the sun's gravitational force, the entire solar system would be thrown into chaos. The planets, moons, and other celestial bodies would drift aimlessly through space. The stability of the solar system, which has been maintained for billions of years, would be irreversibly disrupted, leading to potential collisions and cosmic debris. As Earth travels through the darkness of space, it would likely encounter other celestial bodies and gravitational fields. These interactions could alter its course, potentially sending it towards a different star system or causing it to collide with another planet or moon. The journey through space would be fraught with danger and unpredictability. The long-term prospects for Earth and its inhabitants would be grim. Without a sun, the planet would continue to cool, eventually reaching temperatures that could turn the atmosphere into a frozen layer of gases. The lack of sunlight would render the Earth a barren, lifeless rock drifting in the cosmos. Despite the bleak outlook, it's important to remember that the sun's disappearance is purely hypothetical and not a scenario we need to worry about. The sun is stable and will continue to shine for billions of years. However, exploring these what-if scenarios helps us appreciate the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. Understanding the role of the sun in our solar system highlights its importance beyond just providing light and warmth. It's the anchor that holds our planetary family together. The sun's energy drives weather patterns, ocean currents, and supports the biosphere. Our very existence is intricately tied to this stellar giant. The sun's sudden disappearance would lead to immediate and catastrophic changes for Earth and the solar system. This thought experiment underscores the importance of our star in maintaining life and stability. As we continue to explore the cosmos, let us cherish and protect our unique position in this vast universe.